What if your party didn't just feel fun, but felt electric? What if the moment the lights went off, your space transformed into a glowing world of color, music, and movement? A glow party isn't about decoration alone. It's about energy. It's about excitement. It's about stepping into a different vibe the second you walk in. Imagine neon lights bouncing off the walls, glowing decor shining under blacklight, tables lit up like they're alive, and guests becoming part of the decor as everything around them glows. Today, we're creating glow party decorations that are bold, immersive, and unforgettable. Decorations that turn darkness into pure celebration.
Before we dive into today's video, I'd like to welcome you to Decorpediya, your go-to source for home decor inspiration. We bring you creative ideas to transform your space with style and ease, helping you elevate every corner of your home effortlessly. If you're new here, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and turn on the bell icon so you never miss out on our latest decor inspirations. Now, let's get started.
Why are decorations so important for a glow party? Glow party decorations are what make the party work. Without them, the glow simply doesn't exist. Decorations transform a regular space into an experience. They create excitement before the music even starts. They instantly tell guests this is not an ordinary party. When the decor glows, people feel more playful, more confident, and more energized. The environment becomes part of the fun, making the entire celebration feel immersive and unforgettable. If you love high-energy party vibes, tap like and let the glow begin. What colors work best for glow party decorations? Color is everything at a glow party. The brighter the color, the stronger the impact. Neon shades come alive under blacklight, filling the space with energy. Bright pinks feel playful and bold. Electric greens feel fresh and fun. Neon blues and yellows add contrast and movement. White elements glow intensely, helping reflect light across the room. Dark backgrounds make neon colors pop even more, creating that signature glow party look. Subscribe for more bold and creative party decor inspiration. How does lighting completely transform a glow party space? Lighting is the heart of a glow party. It's what turns decor into magic. Blacklights activate neon decor instantly. LED lights add movement and rhythm. Color-changing lights shift the mood throughout the party. When lighting is layered, the room feels alive. It pulses with energy, responds to music, and keeps the excitement flowing all night long. Check the description for the lighting setup used in this glow party. How can glow balloons elevate the party atmosphere? Glow balloons add height, motion, and excitement to the space. They instantly make the room feel festive. Neon balloons glow brightly under blacklight. LED balloons create floating points of light. Balloon garlands frame walls, tables, and backdrops beautifully. As balloons move with air and music, they add playful energy. They make the space feel full, fun, and celebration-ready. Save this video to your playlist for glow balloon ideas. How can walls and backdrops enhance the glow effect? Walls become a canvas at a glow party. They help define the mood and energy of the space. Neon streamers reflect light and movement. Glow tape creates bold patterns and designs. UV reactive signs and posters add personality and fun. Backdrops become photo zones where guests love to pose. Every picture captures the glow, the color, and the excitement of the night. Check the description for glow wall decor featured in this setup. How can tables be decorated for a glow party? Glow party tables should never fade into the background. They should shine just as brightly as the rest of the space. Neon table covers reflect blacklight beautifully. Glow cups, plates, and straws add fun while staying practical. LED centerpieces turn tables into glowing focal points. A glowing table invites guests to gather, snack, and socialize without losing the party energy. It keeps the vibe strong from start to finish. Like and share this video if you love glowing table decor. How can glow accessories become part of the decor? Glow accessories blur the line between decoration and entertainment. They turn guests into part of the visual experience. Glow necklaces, bracelets, and sticks add motion and color. Light-up glasses and hats bring playful personality. LED props make dancing more exciting. When everyone glows, the party feels alive. The energy spreads through the room as guests become part of the decor themselves. Comment which glow accessory is your favorite at parties. And that is how you create an unforgettable glow party. Bold, bright, and full of energy. Let the lights shine. Let the colors glow. Let the music move the room. Turn off the lights and turn on the magic. Because when the party glows, the memories shine even brighter.